Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about dark circles, and if you have tried a ton of products and you are still facing the issue, then I guess this video is for you. So please keep on watching the video. It will be really helpful to you, I promise you that. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So there can be a ton of reasons why you are having your dark circles. It could be due to lack of sleep, excessive sun exposure, excessive screen timing, or lack of certain vitamins and minerals in your body. Okay, but one of the most common, and unaware reason of having dark circle is actually anemia. Okay, anemia is a condition in which there is a lack of hemoglobin in your blood, and this can result in dark circles as well as pale looking skin. And most of us are unaware of it because we always try to treat our dark circles externally, and we always forget that if you want to cure something, you need to work on it externally and internally as well. And anemia is really common in children as well as in adults. Okay, so today we are going to prepare a juice which is rich in antioxidants, rich in iron, and rich in so many other vitamins and minerals. And it will, if you take this juice for a longer period of time, like if you are consistent with taking this will definitely show some improvement in your dark circles. It will treat your dark circles internally, as well as it will also help in maintaining the overall health of your body. So this is one of my favorite drinks that I have started taking, and trust me, this is really healthy for your body. And let's just prepare the juice. Okay, so to make this juice, all we need is 2 medium-sized carrots, and then a small bowl full of spinach. Spinach is rich in iron and it was great for treating anemia. Okay, so now all you want to do is just take a blender, add the spinach to it. Okay, so I'm having a little trouble here, never mind. Okay, so add the spinach into it, and then and then add the carrots into it. And now we are going to add half a glass of water to this concoction. Yes, now all you need to do is blend it. So here is the blended puree. Now all I'm gonna do is strain it into this glass. Okay, you can also drink it that way like a smoothie, but if you have like weaker digestion, I would suggest you to strain it and drink it. But if you want to drink it as a smoothie, you can drink it with the pulp with the all these pulp. So but I prefer it to strain it. Okay, so so now to this juice we are going to add a few drops of lime juice to it. Why? Because this step is very important, because spinach has oxalic acid, okay, which will prevent the absorption of iron in our body. So in order to make the iron absorbed in our body, we need to add few drops of lemon juice to it. So this step is very important. So here is our juice, and it's really healthy for overall health of your body as well as for your eyes as well. And it has spinach and carrots, which are great for our eyes, and it will definitely help in reducing your dark circles, and it will also provide you a that glow to your face. Yes, it will do so. And this is it. Okay, so now the question comes when to take this juice, and and what is the quantity that you should take. Okay, if you are doing this on an everyday basis, you have to just make half a glass of it, because if you make full glass of it, like one full glass of it, it would be little excess for your body, and it is not good. Anything in excess is not good. So if you are doing this every day, then make sure you just take half a glass of it, you consume half a glass of it. And if you are doing this for 2 or 3 days in a week, then you can consume a full glass of it. And now comes the question when to take it. Okay, you can take it 30 minutes before your breakfast, or you can take it in between your meals. Like you can take it in between your breakfast and your lunch, you can do that. Okay, don't try to take it in the evening time, mostly try to take it in the mornings. Okay, either in between your breakfast or lunch, or before your breakfast, according to your priority. And I can bet you this is one of the most easy and yet effective drinks that you can consume, and it is going to give you great results. So yeah, that is for today's video. Please try this, and comment down below if you liked it. And yeah, till then, tata, bye bye.